Hey everybody, I just got this new chair in from Amazon and I just want to do a quick review on it so you guys can see it. I have all the pieces laid out right there, as well as my dog Winnie. She's gonna help me with it. But yeah, I read through the directions. Looks like it's gonna be pretty easy to put together. So I'm just gonna do a little installation on it so you guys can see how it all goes together. And then we'll take a look at the chair once it's all done. All right, so stay tuned. See you guys. All right, everybody, just got this new chair put into place. Initially, I already kind of said it in a second earlier, it feels really comfortable. It has great back support. I have back issues sometimes and I struggle with my posture. I will say this chair has really great back support. You can do adjustments here, so if I want to kind of sit back and relax, I can bring it back here, put my hands up, or if I need to get to work, bring it up forward and get to work. I do notice that this chair really helps me with my posture, helps me keep my back upright by giving me some good support back here on my lower back. It also has very nice cushion on it. The armrest, a lot of office chairs have terrible armrests, like they're made out of rubber or plastic. If you're going to be putting your arms on it for 8 hours a day, it's kind of nice to have something with some cushion in it. So I will say these armrests are really nice. They have a lot of cushion and padding in there. Feel very soft and it's nice to put my arms on there. As well as this padding right here. It feels really good. It's nice and firm on here, so it's not gonna like sink in really bad, but also gives you a good feel. Overall, I'd say it's really nice. These are also adjustable as well on here, so you can bring those down and up for different adjustments, as well as obviously you can bring it up and down like most other office chairs. But overall, if my friends were looking for an office chair, my colleagues at work, I would definitely recommend this thing. It's pretty nice for the price. Looks pretty good and it's very ergonomic. Feels really nice to sit in, guys. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. And again, Probably took me like 15 or 20 minutes to put together. Pretty easy install. So yeah, if you guys get it, I hope you really like it. Hey, everybody have a good one, and talk to you guys later. See ya.